In this video, I want to show you how to AirPrint using your Canon PIXMA TS6520. AirPrint will be compatible with iPads, iPhone, and Mac computer, and you don't need to install anything. Step number one is to connect your Canon printer to the same Wi-Fi network as your Apple device is currently connected to. In my video, I'll use an iPad afterwards, but again, you can use an iPhone or Mac computer, same thing. First, you're going to press the home button over here so we start on the same page. And then using these arrows, you're going to go down. And then using these arrows, you're going to go down. You're going to select Settings, press OK. Select LAN settings, it's the first option, press OK. Now we're going to select Wi-Fi, which is the first option, so press again on OK. Then go down with the arrow and we need to select Wi-Fi setup. So press OK. Push down the down arrow and we're going to select manual connect, press OK. It will search for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are currently around the printer. So give it a few seconds and they will all appear in a list. This is the list, and again with the arrows you'll be able to navigate and find your Wi-Fi network. Mine is this one, so I'll press OK, and now it's time to enter the password. Press OK again and you're going to have a small keyboard appearing on the display that you'll be able to navigate using the arrows. Once you have typed your password, go down and select OK on the lower right side and press the OK button. Once your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi, you're going to get this confirmation message connected to the wireless router. So next step is to open the document you want to print using AirPrint. So over here you can go into your photo gallery, you can go anywhere, even print a web page if this is what you desire. So now we need to select this icon over here. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. On an iPhone, maybe this icon is located down below. Sometimes it's on another corner. So I'll go ahead and press it. Then down below, you're going to select more if you don't see print. And then print should be one of the options. Mine is the last one. Tap on printer. Your Canon TS6520 series will be one of the options. Tap on it. Select how many copies you want to print. The page range. I just want, let's say, 2 pages. So I'll go ahead and select 1 to 2. If you want in color or black and white, do you want to print on both sides of the page? Yes, I do. So I'll leave it on. The paper size. And if you're printing pictures, select media and quality and go ahead and select best. If you're printing a document like I will, simply leave it to normal, it's good enough. Once you're done, press the blue print button, extend the paper output, and usually in around 15 seconds, the first page should come out. Here we go. These are the results. Beautiful. Now, if you want to scan using the top scanner over here and get the results on your Apple device using AirPrint, in that case, you absolutely need to download the Canon Print app. It cannot be done the way I just showed you without downloading anything. Let me demonstrate by using my iPhone how to scan using the Canon Print app that is available on the App Store. You're going to open the app, select Agree, then go down the page and press OK. You're not obligated to check these other Agree. Press Allow, tap on Search. Here you can close down this window that they're trying to sell you something. Select Allow while using the app. To scan, you're going to open the scan lid. And you're gonna notice that on the top left corner over here, there is an arrow pointing to this corner. What it means is that you need to take the document you wish to scan, place it facing down, and make sure that the top part of your document is towards the left side. And we're gonna bring this corner of your document so it touches the corner with an arrow. Once both are touching, you know that your paper is properly aligned. Close down the lid, and on the app, we simply have to select Scan. Change settings, and here you can select if you're scanning a document, like I do, or a picture. Change if you want the scan to be in color or in black and white, and also the size of the document you're trying to scan. Once you're ready, press the blue scan button down below, and let's wait. It usually takes around 12 to 15 seconds to get a result on our display. Now, it will not be saved automatically. I'll show you what you need to do in just a few seconds. So we're gonna get this screen, and what they show you over here is simply that if your document has multiple pages, let's say you have a 5-page document, well, go ahead and remove this one, put the next page, and press scan. And like this, you can have multiple pages scanned and it will be combined in one file. But in my case, I just want to scan this page. So I'll press exit. And now on the lower left side, I will have this icon. It's a square with an arrow pointing up. If you're using an Android smartphone, it may look slightly different, but the same option will be somewhere around here. Tap on it. You're going to select if you want to save it as a JPEG or save it as a PDF file. In my case, it's a PDF, so I'll select that. And now on iPhone, you will be able to share it with your favorite contacts, with your favorite apps, and also other options down below, including printing the scan. Or if you go down over here, save to files, this will save it on the memory of your iPhone. So let's say I want to save it to the iPhone. I'll press save in the folder that I wish. And this is about it. It got saved or shared. You can press the X button, OK, and you can continue using your printer with the other options. If you found my video useful and you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links down below to purchase some replacement ink for this specific TS6520, or some paper, or even a new printer. Every time you go through my Amazon links, I get a very small commission. It doesn't cost you more, but I get that small commission, and it helps my channel going on. Subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.